A grab bar is an easy way to stop the slipping and sliding in the bathtub, but drilling a hole in the ceramic tile can be pretty slippery itself. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. When we return, how to keep your drill bit from doing the ceramic shimmy right after this.
Temperatures are warming up, but we're making it easy for you to chill out with our Today's Homeowner Beat the Heat giveaway. Enter now for your chance to win an Arctic Cove misting kit, the perfect solution to keeping things cool this summer, whether you're working around the house or lounging by the pool. The prize pack also includes some Stay Cool Today's Homeowner gear, perfect for your next barbecue or trip to the beach. Enter today at todayshomeowner.com/giveaway.
Installing a grab bar in the tub or shower is a great idea, but trying to drill through a ceramic tile surround can be challenging. The slick glazed surface makes the drill bit walk over the tile. I've heard some suggest using a nail to tap a slight indentation in the tile for a starting point, but this can crack the tile as well. Instead, try this. Place an X made from masking tape on the spots you want to drill. Use a pencil to mark the location on the top of this tape. The paper surface of the tape will keep your drill bit in place, allowing you to drill the hole where you need it. Once drilled, simply remove the tape and you're ready to install your grab bar. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.